में सुना होगा. So it's very interesting chapter about Tansen. So if you have the book, keep before you. So now students, without any further delay, let's start this chapter. As you can say, the name of this chapter is Tansen. So definitely we are going to study about Tansen. Tansen was very famous for his music, students, and many of you must have heard his name. So let's study about him. Let's first study about his childhood. He was born in Gwalior, Behat. Behat is the birthplace. His birthplace, you can underline it. He was born in Behat in Gwalior. His father name was Mukundan Misra. It is in the very first line you can see. So as far as his birth is concerned, he was born in Gwalior in Behat, and his father name was Mukundan Misra. In childhood, Tansen was very naughty students. Although he was very talented, but he was naughty at the same time, and often used to go to play in the forest. अक्सर वो जंगल में खेलने चले जाते थे. And he was also able to imitate. You can see a word there, imitate. In the very that paragraph, imitate means copy. To copy somebody something. Imitate का मतलब होता है copy करना, नकल करना. So Tansen was able to imitate the sounds produced by the animals and birds. It means students, वो birds की तरह और animal की तरह sound produce कर लेते थे, उनकी आवाज निकाल लेते थे अपने मुंह से. So this is what he learned when he used to go to play in the forest. So one day, a very famous musician of that time, Swami Haridas, Haridas was going through that forest with his disciple. Disciples means students, शिष्य. शिष्य को disciple बोलते हैं. So Swami Haridas was going one day through that forest. Tansen saw that strangers are in the forest. So he told himself it will be fun to frighten them. He got an idea. He thought that I should frighten them by producing the sound of animals. So he rode like animals. First, he rode like animals, and so the disciples of the Swami Haridas, no, due to the fear, they scattered. Scattered means students, they started running here and there. इधर उधर भागने लगे. One thing I forgot to mention, students, they had taken shelter under a shady grove. Shady grove, you can see. Shady grove means a group of tree. जहाँ पे कुछ पेड़ों का ग्रुप होता है, समूह होता है. That is group. बगीचा भी आप कह सकते हो. So they just wanted to take rest, or you can say they had settled down to take rest under a shady grove. Then Tansen rode like a tiger, and then everyone just all of a sudden group, all the member of the group, or you can say all the member of his disciples, or all the disciples of the Swami Haridas started running here and there. Then Swami Haridas brought everyone together and said that, look, all the tigers are not harmful. Let's search this tiger. Then suddenly one of his disciples noticed a small boy hiding behind a tree and producing a sound like a tiger. Then he informed everyone that it is not a tiger, it is just a little boy. तब वो बताता है कि ये जो टाइगर की आवाज आ रही है वो किसी टाइगर की रियल में नहीं है, वो ये बच्चा जो है वो टाइगर की तरह आवाज प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, आवाज निकाल रहा है. So everyone now just became you can say now calm down, and they were not worried right now. Then but Swami Haridas did not punish him. He did not give any sort of punishment for that notorious work to the Tansen. तानसेन ने जो एक नोटोरियस वर्क किया था, शैतानी भरा काम किया था, डराने की कोशिश की थी उन शिष्यों को, इसके लिए स्वामी हरिदास ने उनको कोई सजा नहीं दिया. He took him to his father, and what was his father name? We studied just in the very first line, Mukundan Misra. So he took Tansen to the Mukundan Misra and told him that, look, your son is very talented. Although he is naughty, but he is very talented. You just give me, I think I can make him a very great singer, or I can make him great singer or good singer. So he put a proposal before the Mukundan Misra that if you give your son, I will make him a famous म्यूजिशियंस, मतलब मैं उसको अच्छा एक संगीतकार जो है गाना गायक जो है मैं बना सकता हूँ. So after that students, Tansen went with Swami Haridas at the age of 10. You can also remember this very important point. Tansen went with whom? Went with Swami Haridas at the age of 10 and he lived with him for 11 years. और कितने साल उनके साथ रहे? 11 year. Before I start teaching further, so he lived with him for 11 years learning music and he became a great singer. But at the same time, or you can say at this time, his father or his mother, you can also say, both died. दोनों लोग की मृत्यु हो जाती है. His father was very attached to one man in Gwalior students, whose name was Muhammad Ghaus. You can see in your book. Muhammad Ghaus was a holy man and Tansen father was very attached to him. उनसे काफी जुड़े हुए थे. So Tansen father dying wish, जैसे मरने की एक अंतिम इच्छा हम कह सकते हैं, dying wish was that Tansen should visit him and go there and meet him. So उनके पिता की जो एक डाइंग विश थी, अंतिम इच्छा थी, वो यही थी कि तानसेन भी मोहम्मद गौस के पास जाएं और उनसे वो मिले ग्वालियर में. So while at the court of Muhammad Ghaus, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mrignani. You can also mention, underline this name. While at the court of Muhammad Ghaus, Tansen would often taken to the court of Rani Mrignani, where she met a woman named Husaini. जहां पर उनकी मुलाकात हुसैनी से हुई, whom she married, और जिससे उन्होंने शादी किया. She later on became the disciple of स्वामी हरिदास as well. वो आगे चलकर तानसेन की तरह वो भी किसकी शिष्या बन गई? स्वामी हरिदास की. They had 5 children, 5 बच्चे थे उनके, and all were very musical. It means all were very interested in music like Tansen. So after that, students, Tansen had become we are talking about the period where he got married to the Husaini, and since he had taken training from Swami Haridas, so he was very popular singer. So he had become so famous that he got opportunity to perform before the Emperor Akbar that time. So after he gave performance before the Emperor Akbar, he was so impressed by his singing that he offered him to join his court. अकबर ने उनको अपना कोर्ट ज्वाइन करने के लिए ऑफर दिया, because he was so much impressed by the way of singing of Tansen. So finally, in 1556, you can see in your book, students, you can underline this date and remember it, learn it. In 1556, Tansen joined the court of Emperor Akbar, and Emperor Akbar was so impressed by his singing that he often would call him any time during the day or night in his court. मतलब जब भी उसका मन होता था संगीत सुनने का तानसेन का, तो अपने कोर्ट में उनको बुला लेता था. And sometimes he would walk into his house to hear him practiced. और कभी-कभी तो उनके घर पे भी चले जाते थे उनको गाते हुए देखने के लिए. So after that, students, he used to also give so many presents, so many awards to him. So problem was that now, students, there is always twist in the story. कोई भी story simple तो चलती ही नहीं है. So again, now here start the twist in the story. And what is the twist? That other courtiers, जो दूसरे दरबारी थे, they started growing jealous. They started growing jealous about the Tansen. अब उनको तानसेन से जलन होने लगी. So they thought him how to get rid of him. उन्होंने सोचा कैसे इनसे छुटकारा मिले. So one man was there, Shaukat Mian. You can also underline his name. Shaukat Mian was someone who had a great idea how to get rid of Tansen. तानसेन से कैसे छुटकारा मिले, कैसे निजात मिले, उसके पास एक आइडिया था. And what was the idea? Idea was that we will ask Tansen to sing Rag Deepak. Many of you must not be aware, but earlier the rags were there. राग होते थे जो लोगों संगीत का जो म्यूजिक सिंगर है जो गाया करते थे. So why they wanted Tansen to sing Rag Deepak. What was the reason why they want him to sing this Rag? Because if Rag Deepak is sung properly, it no it air becomes so hot that singer himself is burned to the ashes. मतलब राग दीपक दीपक जब गाया जाता है सो एयर बिकम सो हॉट एंड सिंगर हिमसेल्फ बर्न टू द एसेस, मतलब जलकर राख हो जाता है, सिंगर भी जो गा रहा होता है वो जल जाता। सो दिस इज हाउ दे थॉट दैट वी कैन गेट रीड ऑफ द तानसेन। तो उनको लगा कि ऐसा करके हम तानसेन से छुटकारा पा सकते हैं। So Shaukat Mian went to the court of Akbar next day and told him that we don't think Tansen is a great singer. Let test him. You just ask him to sing Rag Deepak. So Akbar told him that yes, Tansen is a very great singer and he can sing any rags. वो कोई भी राग गा सकता है। But since it was the order of the Emperor Akbar, so also Tansen couldn't deny him. Tansen को मना नहीं कर सकते थे। But he was downcast and unhappy. He had been never so downcast and unhappy when he heard that he will have to sing Rag Deepak. जब राग दीपक उनको पता चल गया कि मुझे गाना है, he felt very unhappy. So one word is there, students. Let also know what its meaning is. Downcast. Downcast means very sad. बहुत दुखी हो जाना. So he was very sad knowing that he will have to sing Rag Deepak. So after that he went to his wife and told everything that I will have to sing Rag Deepak, and due to its effect I will be also burnt. मैं भी क्या हो जाऊंगा, जल जाऊंगा. So suddenly he had an idea. What was the idea? Idea was that if at the same time somebody sings Rag Megh, one Rag Megh is also there. So Rag Deepaks, what does, students? Rag Deepaks makes the air so hot, while at the same time if somebody sings Rag Megh, it just brings the rain. ये क्या लाता है? बारिश को ला देता है. So he told his wife that if at the same time somebody sings Rag Megh, the rain will come and I will be saved. मैं क्या हो जाऊंगा? बच जाऊंगा. So he told that only my sister, not my sister, but my daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupwati can do this. उनको लगा कि जो उनकी जो एक डॉटर है जिसका नाम सरस्वती था और उसकी एक फ्रेंड है उसका नाम क्या था? Rupwati. They can sing Rag Megh. So he trained them, and so the Tansen taught them Rag, how to sing Rag Megh, and they practiced them for 14 days. Who practiced? सरस्वती and Rupwati ने 14 दिनों तक उसकी प्रैक्टिस की राग मेघ को गाने की. So the day came when the appointed day came when he was supposed to sing Rag Deepak. All the peoples were gathered into the court of the Emperor Akbar to just hear Tansen singing Rag Deepak. So students, when he started singing Rag Deepak, as you know, what was its effect? All of a sudden, people in the audience bathed in perspirations, पसीने में भीग गए. The trees on the leaves on the tree dried up. पेड़ों की जो पत्तियां थी वो क्या हो गई? राग दीपक की वजह से सूख गई. They started to fall on the ground. As the music continued, the birds also fell dead. जो birds थी वो भी मरकर क्या होने लगी? गिरने लगी नीचे की तरफ. And the water in the river began to boil. और पानी जो था heat की वजह से क्या होने लगा? वो भी boil होने लगा. And all of suddenly people started crying in the fear or in the terror. चिल्लाने लगे लोग. As they saw that the lights were also alighted or set alighted. अचानक दीपक भी जो थे वहाँ क्या हो गए? अपने आप जल गए. So this was the effect of Tansen's singing Rag Deepak. Rag Deepak जब वो गाने लगे तो ये सारे इफेक्ट लोगों को दिखने लगे. So Tansen had told both Saraswati and Rupwati that they will only start singing Rag Megh when the lights will be set alight. दिए जब क्या हो जाएंगे? जल जाएंगे, तभी वो क्या करेंगी? राग मेघ को गाना शुरू करेंगे. So at the same time Saraswati and Rupwati started singing Rag Megh. It brought down the rain and so the Tansen was saved. और इस तरह तानसेन क्या हो जाते हैं, बच जाते हैं. So it is believed that after this incident, Tansen was ill, very much ill, and Akbar also felt sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. अकबर को भी बड़ा अफसोस हुआ कि उनकी वजह से तानसेन को इतना कष्ट झेलना पड़ा. He punished his enemies, जो उनके एनिमी थे उनको पनिश किए. And after that, Tansen remains the singer of Akbar court till 1800, not 1585 students. 1500 when he joined, if you remember, he had joined his court in 1556 and he remained there 1585 till his death. मरने तक उनके दरबार में रहे. And still today's his tomb means grave. आज भी उनका मकबरा है in Gwalior, and it is a pilgrims means a holy place where the people go for religious reason. So it's pilgrims for musicians. आज भी लोग जो म्यूजिक को पसंद करते हैं, म्यूजिक को फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, तानसेन को मानते हैं और उनके ग्रेव पे ग्वालियर में जाते हैं और उनका आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए या उनका ब्लेसिंग पाने के लिए वहां आज भी विजिट करते हैं. So this was the chapter Tansen students. I hope you understood it. Let me quickly revise. Nothing is very complicated in these chapters. All you need to know about his childhood. So he was very naughty and he was very talented. His father name was Mukundan Misra. He used to go to play in the forest and he was also able to produce the sounds of birds and animals. उनकी आवाज को वो produce कर लेते थे. One day Swami Haridas, who later on become the Guru of Tansen, was going through that forest. Tansen just started roaring like a tiger. Everyone become afraid, but Swami Haridas told him that let's search out. And when they started searching, there was no tiger. It was Tansen himself who was roaring like a tiger. So he took him to his father. He did not punish him. He took him to his father. उनके पिताजी के पास ले जाते हैं. And told him that your son is very talented, give me and I will make him a very famous musician or good singer. So Tansen at the age of 10 went with the Swami Haridas and for 11 years he learned music with him and become a great singer. As far as his father dying wish, उनके पिता की अंतिम इच्छा थी that he should also visit a holy man, spiritual man, you can say, आध्यात्मिक जो आदमी थे, Muhammad Ghaus in Gwalior. So when he went to his court, he was taken to the court of Rani Mirgnaini, and where she met a woman named Husaini, to whom he married. जहाँ पे उन्होंने उससे शादी किया. He had 5 children. He joined the court of Akbar in 1556. 1556 में उन्होंने अकबर का कोर्ट क्या किया था, ज्वाइन किया था. Akbar was very much impressed by his way of singing, so he often used to give him so many awards and presents. The other courtiers were not happy about it, so they thought about how to get rid of Tansen. So उन्होंने सोचा कैसे तानसेन से छुटकारा मिले. So they just challenged the Tansen to sing a Rag Deepak, and you all know, if you have understood this story, that if Rag Deepak is sung properly, it makes the air so hot that even the singer himself burn to the ashes. Singer जो उसको गाने वाला होता है वो भी क्या हो जाता है, जल जाता है और राख बन जाता है. So how he saved himself, Tansen, how he saved himself from this Rag Deepak or this challenge or these situations? So he taught his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupwati how to sing Rag Megh, because if at the same time Rag Megh is sung, then it brings the rain, and this is how the Tansen was saved while singing Rag Deepak. So story is very simple. So if you are not able to understand anything related to this chapter, you can ask your questions, and after that we will discuss its question and answer. इसके बाद हम इसका question answer discuss करेंगे. So I am going to unmute you and allow you to ask your questions. Now you can ask your question if you have any.
सर रूपवंती का सर मतलब क्या होता है सर? रूपवंती
डाउनकास्ट का मतलब क्या होता है?
Downcast means very sad, unhappy. One boy was asking something. Yes, ask your question again.
फ्लैम्स मतलब क्या होता है?
Repeat it again, please. Repeat it.
Flames, FLAMES.
Flames means fire, आग होती है. Law. Anything else?
Sir, assemble.
Assemble means gather.
Sir,
इकट्ठा होना.
assemble.
gather इकट्ठा होना. Are you able to understand the story?
सर डिसिपल तो सर मतलब क्या होता है सर डिसिपल?
Disciples means शिष्य होता है, शिष्य. Are you able to understand the story? Did you all understand the story?
Yes. Yes.
Story समझ में सबको?
When Akbar meet Tansen. Yes, sir. Sir, where Akbar meet the Tansen?
Akbar?
Meet the Tansen.
So what you want to ask really? क्या पूछना चाहते हो?
Where Akbar meet the Tansen? Sir, Akbar Tansen से कहाँ मिले थे?
In his court, because Tansen must have performed before him. Nothing has been mentioned about it that where the first time Akbar met with Tansen. It just has been mentioned that, listen. Just it has been mentioned that Tansen joined his court in 1556. That's it. We know we need to study, and that is something that has been mentioned. Now, you all tell me, are you able to?
Sir, terror means T-E-R-R.
Terror means fear, dar. You don't be bothered about the word meaning. I will send the meaning of all words. मैं मीनिंग भेजूंगा उसके बारे में.
सर Pilgrimage इसको क्या बोला जाएगा सर?
It's pilgrims, holy place where the people visit. तीर्थ स्थल जानते हो? तीर्थ स्थल, तीर्थ स्थान.
Yes, sir.
Pilgrims, तीर्थ स्थान. Yes.
तो वन लगा सकते हैं.
House मतलब.
Are you seeing? Do you want to ask anything? So shall I go on to discuss the question answer? Question answer discuss किया जाए?
Yes, sir.
Don't be bothered about, don't take tension about word meaning. I will send the meaning of all difficult words in WhatsApp group. You can note it down in your fair notebook. Okay?
Question.
So now let's discuss its question answer. So what is the first question? First question is that,
Why did Swami Haridas say Tansen was talented?
What
why
did
did
Swami Haridas say
Tansen was very talented? So reason was very simple, because Tansen was very talented, or he said that Tansen was very talented because he was able to produce the sounds of birds and animal, or imitate. He was able to imitate. Imitate means one very important word is there. Imitate means. Imitate
sound
means
copy करना.
Yes, imitate means copy karna. So Tansen was able to imitate the sounds of birds and animals. That is why Swami Haridas said that Tansen was very talented. Is it okay? Can you write it?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Next question. What is the next question? Someone read.
Why did Akbar
has Tansen to join his court?
Yes. Why did Akbar ask Tansen to join his court? Because Akbar was so much impressed by his way of singing, or by his singing. That is why he asked him to join his court. It's very simple, because he was so much impressed by his singing. Okay. Next question.
How do you know that Akbar was fond of the Tansen chief to the region?
Two reasons are there. Akbar was definitely fond of Tansen. Two reasons are there. That first, anytime Akbar would call Tansen in his court during the day or night to listen his music. And second reason was that often he used to walk into his house or visit his house to hear him practice. Two reasons you can mention. You can also search it out in your book. वो आपको मिल जाएगा. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question.
What did the other students feel about him?
Yes.
Tansen?
Can anyone answer it? Can anyone answer it? This question.
Sir, because he feels jealous.
Yes. The other courtiers felt jealous of.
Jealous.
Next question.
What
What happened of Rag
What
Deepak
happened?
is sung properly.
Yes.
What happened?
What happens if Rag Deepak is sung properly? It makes the air so hot that even singer singing this rag is open to the ashes. इतना एयर गर्म हो जाता है, हॉट हो जाता है कि जो उसको गाने वाला होता है वो भी क्या हो जाता है, जल जाता है.
जल जाता है.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Why did Tansin enemies want
Why
him
did
to
the
sing
Tansin
and
agree to the
want
scene
him?
rather
Simple.
deeper?
Because they were jealous of him. They were jealous of him and they wanted to get rid of him. Get rid of him का मतलब होता है स्टूडेंट छुटकारा पाना या किसी से निजात पाना. So they wanted to get rid of him. Therefore he wanted Tansin to sing Rag Deepak. Next question.
Why did
Tansin agree to sing Rag
Did he
Deepak?
stay to the same himself? Dusra, did he the plan work? How?
Yes. So Tansen agreed to sing. Why did Tansen agreed? Why did Tansen agree to sing the Rag Deepak? Can anyone answer this question?
Because he got an idea.
No. This is not right answer.
Order.
Tansen just agreed to sing Rag Deepak because he did not want to disobey the emperor. वो emperor का कहना मतलब उनकी आज्ञा को जो है ऐसा नहीं था कि वो मानना नहीं चाहता था, वो उनकी आज्ञा को नहीं तोड़ना चाहता था, इसलिए उन्होंने that is why Tansen agreed to sing the Rag Deepak. He didn't want to disobey the emperor. The answer would be he didn't want to disobey the emperor. Next question.
Did his plan work? How?
Did his plan work? How?
What step did he take to save himself?
Did he
So
the
first-
plan work? How?
Yes, I will come to that.
His daughter and his friend to tell his daughter and his friend to sing Rag.
Yes, right. He taught his daughter and her friend named Saraswati and Rupwati to sing. First he trained them how to sing and asked them when the lights will be alighted, jal jayengi, then they will start singing this rag, and these are the steps. These are the steps he took to save himself. Means he taught his daughter and her friend how to sing Rag Megh, and this is steps he took to save himself. Okay, did his plan work? Yes, his plan worked. And when his daughter started singing Rag Megh, it brought the rain and Tansen was saved. Tansen क्या हो गए थे? बच गए थे. So, students, you tell me now, are you able to understand chapter and its question answer? How to write it?
Yes, sir.
I will also
ग्रुप पे
send
भेज दीजिए
written.
सर
I
सर
will
इससे
send
टू
the
क्वेश्चन आंसर वर्ड मीन.
Yes, I will send question answer and word meaning. I will send in written in the WhatsApp group. Don't be bothered about. I just discuss for your understanding. Okay. Tomorrow we will study Honeysuckle's poem Where Do All Teachers Go, because we have completed 5th chapter of that book as well. So tomorrow we will study the poem Where Do All Teachers Go from your Honeysuckle book. Till then, students, have a good day. Thank you very much.